Reading phrases with short E. Children, read with me. The hill, the hill. The mill, the mill. The bin, the bin. The mitt, the mitt. The fin, the fin. The mill on the hill, the mill on the hill. The mitt on the bin, the mitt on the bin. A pin and a pill, a pin and a pill. A bit and a lit, a bit and a lit. A tin and a pin, a tin and a pin. Good job, children.